How to download APK from Google I Studio. So this is the app that I just installed using the APK. Let me tap on it for you to see. And as you can see, it is working perfectly fine. So it's a scientific calculator app and it is working perfectly fine. So this is the APK that I just downloaded from Google I Studio. When I tap on it, you see that the option to install has come. And when I tap on the install button, I have the option to simply come and then tap on the install and install my Android app. Okay, so as you can see, I built the app right inside Google I Studio and it is working perfectly fine. So let me show you how you can also download your APK from your Android app. Simply locate Chrome, okay, from your Android app and then come and tap on it. And then over here, simply come here to Google and then from Google search, simply come here and then come and search for Google AI Studio and then come and select this, okay. So over here, come and then select the official site of Google AI Studio by tapping on the first one. It's going to bring you right here. Close this and then come and then tap on the dismiss, okay. After that, over here, simply come here to where we have the three bars and then come and tap on it. So when you tap on it, it will bring you right here to Google AI Studio with all these. All that you have to do is simply come here to the build under it. You see that you have apps, come and tap on it. So over here, make sure that you are at where it says by you. Over here, you are going to see the apps that you have built. Simply come and then select the one that we want to make APK from. So I'm going to tap on this one to select it and it is simply going to load it. So as you can see, this is it. It is working perfectly fine. It's a scientific calculator app that I just built, Android app. Okay. So as you can see, I'm within the preview. Simply come here to the chat and then come and tap on it, okay, so that over here you have the option to come and then tell Google AI Studio to build your APK for you using a prompt. So when you look in the video description down below, I have a link on it. Just click on it. It's going to bring you right here to the prompt. And then where it says prompt, start from here. Come here to where it says the place long, press on it, okay, and then come and then highlight the whole prompt from start to the button just like this. After that, come and then tap on the copy to copy the prompt. So now that you have copied the prompt, simply come back here to Google AI Studio, come along, press there, okay. You see that the option to paste will come and then come and tap on the paste to paste the whole prompt just like this. So after pasting the prompt, all that you have to do is simply come here to the send button and come and tap on it. And then after sending it over here, all that you have to do is simply come and then tap on allow, okay. And that is it. That is all that you have to do. Google AI Studio is simply going to build your APK for you right inside Google AI Studio. So as you can see, it has successfully built the APK for us. That is it, as simple as that, okay. And over here, it has given us where we will find it, and it's at the .build dash output APK folder, okay. I'm going to show you that, okay. So all that you have to do is simply come here to the three dots and then come and tap on it. All this will come, scroll down to the button and then come here to the desktop site and come and check this box so that it will show it in a desktop mode for you to see. Simply zoom in, okay, zoom in just like this and then come and then tap on the code. So when you tap on the code, simply sweep to the left and then you see that we have the export here. Come and then tap on the down arrow and all this will come and then tap on download as zip file, okay. Sometimes this error might come, don't worry. All that you have to do is to simply come here and then come and tap on the back arrow, okay. It will come just like this again and then locate the code again, then come and tap on the code and then simply sweep and come here to where we have the export. Come and tap on the down arrow and then simply come again, then come and tap on download as zip file and it is going to download the zip file for you. So as you can see from here, it has downloaded the zip file and then we can simply come and then open it by simply tapping on the open, okay. So when you tap on it, you see that we have our downloaded zip file for our app right here. Now all that you have to do is simply come and tap on the close and then from here come and then tap on the three dots again and then all that you have to do is simply scroll to the button and then over here come and uncheck the box, okay, so that it will show it just as it was, just like this. Now all that you have to do is to simply locate file manager, okay, from your phone and then come and then tap on the file manager. So when you tap on it, come here to the download, tap on it and simply come and then tap on just once, okay. So over here you are going to see that we have our downloaded zip file right here. Now we have to extract it, and then to extract it, simply go to Play Store from your phone, tap on it, and then from Play Store come and then tap on the search Okay, and then from the search bar, simply come and then tap on it and then come and search for Z Achiever, just like this, and then come and tap on it to select it. So over here, you see that Z Achiever will come and then tap on the install button. Okay, so after tapping on it, it's going to download and then install the app for you. So as you can see, I successfully installed the app. Simply come and then tap on the open for it to open. So over here, all that you have to do is simply come and then tap on the allow. Okay, after that, it's going to show you how to use the app. Simply come and tap on OK. So after that, you see that it will show everything on your phone just like this. All that you have to do is simply come and then tap on the download folder. Inside it, you are going to see that we have our zip file here. Come and tap on it, okay, so that it will ask you to extract it. So over here, all that you have to do is simply come and then tap extract to the archive name, okay, and it's going to extract it. So after it has finished extracting it, over here you see that we have our unzip folder. Come and tap on it, and then inside it you will see that we don't have the .build folder inside it. It is hidden, so we have to unhide it. So simply come to the three dots and then come and tap on it. You see that all these options will come here to the settings, come and tap on it, okay, and then from the settings, come here to the files and then come and tap on it, and then from there you are going to see that we have the option that is show hidden files. Okay, come and then tap on it to turn it on so that all hidden files will be shown, and after that come and then tap on the back arrow, and then simply come and then tap on the back arrow again, and inside it you see that we have our .build dash the output folder. Come and tap on it, okay, just tap on the .build, and inside it you are going to see that we have our APK inside it just like this. Come and tap on the APK, okay, and after tapping on it you see that it will show to install. Come and tap on the install button, and that is it. Over here you have to come and then set it, okay, so from here where you have the settings, come and then tap on the settings, okay, and from here you have to come and then allow install unknown app by tapping it to turn it on just like this, and all that you have to do is simply turn it, tap on the back, okay, after turn it on, and then simply come and then tap on the install button, and that is it. It is going to install your Android app for you. So Play Protect might show you this message. Simply come and then tap on more details, and then simply come and then tap on the install anyway, and that is it. Your app is going to be installed. You can come and then tap on opened, and that is it. Your app has been successfully installed, okay, and then you see that it is working perfectly fine. So this is actually how to download your Android app APK right from Google Studio. Like the video and then see you in my next video.